We traded bravery for balance. Don't you ever miss the fire? That's what day 18 of our Hanuman Chalisa journey is all about. The fire that made us fearless once and how to find it again. If this journey stirs something in you, consider follow and subscribe and drop a Jai Hanuman in the comments so together we keep that spirit of courage alive. Today's verse says, Yuga Sahasra Yojana Parabhanu Lilyo Tahi Madhur Phal Janu, which means you flew across millions of miles to reach the sun thinking it was a sweet fruit. At first glance, it sounds like a divine fairy tale, a child flying towards the sun. But Tulsidas wasn't talking about distance, he was talking about daring. Hanuman's story goes like this. As a child, he saw the rising sun glowing like gold. To him, it looked like a ripe mango hanging in the sky. So, what did he do? He leapt joyfully, fearlessly, without a hesitation. The gods panicked. Indra struck him with the thunderbolt. Hanuman fell, unconscious, hurt, and yet that leap became legend. Not because he reached the sun, but because he dared to try. Tulsidas wrote this verse not to show power, but purity. Why? Because Hanuman wasn't chasing achievement, he was chasing the light. That's what made the sleep divine. He wasn't told to, he didn't calculate, he didn't ask, what if I fail? He simply moved towards what he felt is true. For him, sun was mango. And that's the fire we lose as we grow. We start measuring risks instead of following wonder. Now let's bring this closer into the real world. In 2019, The Hindu covered the story of Mr. Anant Mahindra, the billionaire industrialist who runs one of India's biggest empires. He was speaking at a leadership summit in Delhi when someone asked him, what's the most important thing you look for in young people today? He smiled and simply replied, I look for those who still have fire in their eyes, the ones brave enough to leap before they are fully ready. Because every greatness in history began as a leap. Then he continued with the story about the Mahindra team that launched India's first SUV for the global market, the Scorpio. They had limited resources, no experience internationally. Most people said, don't risk it. But the team did anyway. It took years, they failed more times than they succeeded. But they kept leaping over doubt, over delay, over fear. When the Scorpio finally launched, it changed the company forever. And Mr. Mahindra ended its story with a single line. Sometimes you need to fly towards your sun, not to touch it, but to remember you can still fly. And that's the truth we live today. We dream, we manifest, we set goals. But when the date comes closer, fear replaces faith. We start asking, what if I fail? And in that moment, we stop moving and we dim our own fire. And that's exactly what Hanuman Sleep teaches us. The child within us doesn't analyze outcomes, it moves with wonder, it moves with faith. And that's the energy Tulsidas wanted to remind us of, that life will always demand balance. But balance without fire becomes dullness. So here is your reflection for today. What in your life have you traded bravery for balance? The dream you have been overthinking, the decision you have been keeping delaying, the leap you have been avoiding because it's not practical. Now ask yourself, what would the child in you do? Would it fear the fall or it reach for the sun anyway? Because sometimes failure doesn't break you, fear does. And faith, even when it looks foolish, can still take you higher than reasons ever will. Now, say it softly with me. Yug sahasra yojana par bhanu, lilyo tahi madhur phal janu. Feel the rhythm, feel the warmth. This isn't a verse about distance, it's about remembering your wings. Tomorrow, day 19, we will discover how Hanuman's fire becomes focus, how his playfulness turns into purpose, and how knowing your light helps you guide others through darkness. One verse a day, one quality to awaken, one spark to reignite the fire within. Jai Hanuman.